There are 5 things that you need to be aware of every time you are trading using technical analysis. You need to be aware of the trend. You need to know if the market is uptrending or downtrending. You need to know the momentum. That is number 2. You need to know whether the market has a positive momentum, is that the momentum is pushing it up, or it has a negative momentum. Then you need to be aware of support and resistance, the price levels that the market is most likely going to react to. Then you need to know the overbought and oversold condition. Is this market overbought? Is it oversold? Is it a good time for me to enter? Then you need to know the volatility. Are the 5 things that stay consistent in every market. This is Market Formula. I welcome you to another video on technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. So we are going to start this video by looking at the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market, starting from the all share index. For 2 weeks now, the market has been down. That means it's a potential swing point. Previous week was a red bar. Last week was another red bar, bearish candle, but with a retracement to the downside, telling you that market is trying to resist a lower low. That is why it came down low and went back up. Let's look at the momentum. Looking at the momentum, I can see that the momentum was red. So on this bar, the momentum was red, telling us that this is a very, very high probability swing point. Another confirmation that I like looked at is to come down to the lower time frame, and I want to see if the momentum has switched to the negative side. As you can see, the momentum has switched to the negative side. So that is second confirmation. The third confirmation is that I am waiting and I was hoping that the market will get to this R2 level, which is at 56,639 basis points. But this is a high probability swing point. So let me just put my Fibonacci tools and see where the extension is at the moment. Measuring the extension. Okay, that is how I'll draw my extension level. Let me turn off the pivot. We see that market was trying to find support at this level, which was the previous high. That was in May 2022. So if market is able to find support here, then we say, okay, it's going higher. But if it's going higher, it's going to find another resistance at 1.37, but this current resistance at 1.13. Let me check my my harmonic patterns. Looking at the harmonic pattern, you can see that if the market finds resistance at 1.13 level, it is a bullish shark pattern, but we still need price to come down and break this this point, which is a structural low. We need market to take this out for us to know that yes, we are now in the downtrend. We are now having a bullish shark pattern. But in case this is in case the bullish shark fail, it will go and form a bullish cipher. Bullish cipher, we find resistance around 1.27 and 1.41. So let me go back to the chart. So this is the 1.27 level and the 1.14. So if the market from here go back and hit this level or this zone, then we have a bullish cipher. But currently this is a bullish shark. Okay, and we should also remember that this week ends the month. So because this week ends the month, I need to check the monthly chart and see what is happening. Okay, previous month was last month was a strong bullish candle. This month is pulling back. So because it's pulling back, I'm not sure this has not taken like 50% of this pullback. So the momentum is still very strong. I think the market might find support around here, most likely, or extend to the 56,800 level. Let's look at the opportunities that we have this week. Let me open. All right, this is still valid. It's a strong buy. If you get entry around here, it's good for a profit target at 5 naira, 5 naira 40 kobo. I think this is a good buy opportunity here. It's still valid. You can refer to my previous video for the analysis. This is also still valid in case you get your entry around here, around 94 kobo. Let me draw the path. If you can get it like that, then look for profit target at that level. Q-ticks, okay. You can get Q-ticks at current price, fine, or anywhere around this low, which is 2 naira, for a profit target at 2 naira 68 kobo. MPF is still valid. Get your entry at 1 naira 70 kobo for a target at 2 naira 10 kobo. Anscorp Hotel. This would have been the best entry for this stock, but it's a good price. It's a good. This is a good buy opportunity, but the price is too high for me. I'd rather wait for something like this. If I can get something like this, it's better. But if you must buy it, just look for entry around the low of last week. It is 6 naira 35 kobo. Prestige. Okay, Prestige came down and went back up. This making this place a very strong low. If you get entry around here, is good. Around 38 kobo, around 41 kobo. Let's hope that price can get to somewhere around 53 kobo. Sun Assurance, okay, this is still valid. You can get entry at 40 kobo, then profit target at maybe 63 kobo, or market can get to 85 kobo before the end of the year. ABC Transport, good entry at 34 kobo, then target profit at 47 kobo. Jerigo overbought. If you want to buy it, you can buy at 301. Cornerstone Insurance, I'd rather wait for market to come back and test this level for that 60 kobo. Then I'll take entry to back to this place or this place, 80 kobo. C&I Leasing, still valid. If you get entry at 3 naira 47 kobo, that's a profit target at 4 naira 57 kobo. Champions Brewery, if you get entry at 4 naira 23 kobo, you can still get your take your profit at 5 naira 55 kobo. NGS Group entry, good entry at 24 naira. Okay, in the case of this one, let me draw the path. Then we watch out. You can take it at that entry, but it's not good for me. I don't like entering price when market is already hitting a resistance. So I would rather wait for it to react to it, whether to pull back or to break through and use it as a support. Okay, in the case of this, the market has been ranging from here, from around August 2021. This is a range, this is a range, but it wants to break out. So if you get entry at the middle of the range, which is around 28 kobo, that would be good. Or even at current price, can take part of your entry at current price. Then in case market pulls back, and you add to your investment. That's dollar cost averaging. You can refer to my previous video on how to apply dollar cost averaging to the Nigerian stock market. All right, in the case of this, I'll wait for a pullback, at least a bounce from here. Market can also follow this path. Hit here and go back here. Hopefully, Living Trust, that is overbought. Fidelity signal still valid. When you get entry at 466 kobo, then you push it to 6 kobo to 6 naira 20 kobo. Okay, I think this should be academic press. I think I like these stocks. I like this stock the most. I will take this trade. I will buy at 1 naira 24 kobo, anywhere around here. If market did not hold here, there's higher probability that we will come and hold around here. So I will add to my investment there. But this stock is still fresh for me. In case you need to invest, you can consult your financial advisor. This, okay. For this would have been the best entry around this place. But from what I'm looking at, market might not get here. In fact, it might not get here. So you take your entry as 183 cover. That's for UPL. That's Universal Press. Transcorp. Okay, for Transcorp, entry still valid. In case you get something around this level, this price. Okay, 1 naira 21 kobo. Triple G overbought. The level, you take entry at 13 naira 20 kobo, it's still okay. But market comes to find support at the pivot. It's also good. That's 12 naira 20 kobo. Union Bank of Nigeria. Okay, I would prefer for a pullback, that stock. Okay, in the case of this is Julius Berger. You can take this entry, or market can decide to follow this path. All right, this is the current price. Sorry, this is the current price. Is at here. It is at a resistance. So we will rather wait for a pullback. So most likely, what I will wait for, I will wait for markets to do something like this. Then take your profit at 30 naira. Dangote Cement. Let me check for the entry. Already at a resistance. So this either follows this path, or okay, this path is no longer valid because market has already left our entry. So that's what I expect for Dangote Cement. Fitson still valid. Wait for a pullback, then take your entry and your profit target at 12 naira. Okay, this entry is no longer valid because market has already left here. So we either wait for something like this and follow that path. Let me check NNF. Okay, this is what I will like to trade. I want a pullback, then take my entry. We are currently at a major resistance. Let me take one or two more. That's not good for me to trade. Okay, for this, rather wait for pullback to this level. This level is at find entry at 11 naira 65 kobo for a profit, and take your profit at 13 naira 35 kobo. Let me take PZ. I'll take two more. For PZ, this rent is no longer valid. Market has already done this, so let's wait for. Take your entry at 9 naira 40 kobo and your profit at 12 naira 20 kobo. I'll take two more. Komu. Okay, this is still valid. So if you get entry at 163 naira, take it. Then we hope that the market gets to 216 naira before the end of the year. E-Transact, and that will be the last that I'm going to take. E-Transact. Okay, E-Transact at the current price is okay. There are two possibilities. Market can go like this, or you wait for a pullback for market to come back here and go like this. So best entry is at 2 naira 93 kobo. So that will be all for today's video. Until next week when we meet again for another interesting episode on the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. I wish you all a very successful week. Bye.